Have you ever wondered why a tiny mistake in measurement could lead to a wobbly table, a bad batch of medicine, or even a failed space mission? It's because reading a scale isn't just looking at numbers, it's a science of precision. First, let's decode those mystery marks on any tool, from a kitchen scale to a ruler. They rarely label every single line. The secret is to find the interval value. Find two labeled numbers like 0 and 100 grams. Then count the empty spaces, the gaps between them. If there are 4 gaps, you just divide the difference, which is 100, by the number of gaps, 4. That means each tiny line represents 25 grams. That simple calculation is the key to unlocking any scale. But even if you can read the lines, common traps can ruin your measurement. The first is parallax error. This is when your eyes lie to you. Because a needle is slightly in front of the scale, looking from the side makes it appear to line up with the wrong number. The solution? Always look directly straight on, with your eyes level with the mark. Another trap is zero error, when your scale shows, say, 0.1 kilograms before you've even put anything on it. You must either press the tare button to reset it or simply subtract that starting error from your final result. Finally, understand the difference between being accurate and being precise. Imagine a dartboard. Accuracy is hitting the bullseye. Precision is hitting the exact same spot over and over, even if that spot isn't the bullseye. If you use a broken ruler with the first 5 millimeters snapped off, your measurements might be very precise. You get the same answer every time, but they will all be inaccurate. The goal is always to be both, to be precise and to hit the bullseye.